Hello there, hope you are doing well. So here we have another question from the same text, and the direction for the question is what? Answer the following questions based on the information given below. As we have understood the text, let's move to the question. What does the question point? Which of the following serves the best assumption? Right, which of the following serves the best as an assumption to the context of the passage? And the choices are: economists should focus mainly on some set of causal factors by specifying a certain range. Two, economics inquiries being integrated with social factors are bound to rely on subjective factors. Three, evaluation process is the core of economic inquiries. Four, rational agents possess complete and transitive preferences when making choice among feasible alternatives. Now, if I look into this particular question, right, um, so the first option, which is stated economists should focus solely on some set of causal factors by specifying a certain range. So cannot be taken as the best assumption to the context of the passage because no certain range, right? No certain range can be taken to address any inquiry as per the passage, right? Certain range, right, can be taken to address any inquiry as per the passage. So Mhm. Yeah, you can say that the first line where it is stated, one can distinguish the domain of economics from the domain of other social scientific inquiries, either by specific some set of causal factors or by specifying some range of phenomena. The phenomena with which economists are concerned are production, consumption, distribution, and exchange. So, and option one stated what economics should focus mainly on some set of right causal factors by specifying a certain range. No, so it should be what some range of phenomena, right? Um, so that's why no certain range can be taken to or show or sole range can be taken to address any inquiry as per the passage. So hence you can say option one is eliminated. Option two stated economics inquiries being integrated with social factors are bound to rely on subjective factors. So this could be a kind of a you can say that conclusion, not an assumption. An assumption is an idea to which entire discussion is built upon. So that's assumption. But this one, option two, is conclusion. So hence you can eliminate this. Option three stated evolution process is the core of economic inquiries. It is again called as a generic statement which can be implied on any subject addressing social inquiries. So therefore we can say that option three is eliminated. Um, we can find out option four would be the correct one as it is the last one. So as for the choice stated, rational agents possess complete and transitive preference when making choices among feasible alternatives. By the way, rational agent possess complete and transitive preference when making choices among feasible alternatives. As you can find out throughout the passage, the author discusses what? The author discusses the concept of rationality, the concept of rationality. So, and the assumptions economists make about individual preference. The author explains the economists assume individual possess complete and transitive preference, which means they can constantly, you can say that rank the alternative they face. This assumption forms the basis of economic theories and modes. So in that case, option four also stated the same, right? So therefore, option four is the assumption made by the author in the passage, right? So hence you can point out option four would be the best assumption of to the context of the passage. Hope you understood this. That's all. Thank you.